Are you ready to explore the future of writing? Imagine creating books that tap into current trends effortlessly. Today, we're diving deep into 10 high-traffic topics for books that can be written by AI. These topics not only sell well, but also offer unique angles that capture readers' interests. First up, self-improvement and habits. This timeless category never goes out of style. People constantly seek personal transformation. With AI, you can generate frameworks for habit change. Picture titles like Atomic Habits for Creatives or AI-designed morning routines that work. These books resonate, encouraging readers to elevate their lives. Next, we have side hustles and passive income. The gig economy is booming. Individuals hunger for financial independence. By using AI, you can develop business models, including case studies. Think about writing 100 AI-powered side hustles you can start today. It's all about actionable advice that readers crave. Now, let's touch on mental health and anxiety relief. This area is more relevant than ever. Readers seek guidance and comfort during tough times. Combine expert insights with engaging storytelling. AI can help simulate powerful narratives. Quieting the Storm Within is an excellent example. Consider adding AI-generated journal prompts for mental wellness as well. Moving on, parenting in the digital age is crucial. Parents constantly seek advice on raising kids with technology. With AI, structure expert tips and age-based advice effortlessly. Titles like Raising Resilient Kids in an AI World hit home with parents looking for practical solutions. Next up, we have weight loss and healthy eating. Diet books always attract attention. Offer unique hooks with AI-generated meal plans. For instance, AI-crafted keto meals could pique interest. Personalized plans to motivate readers, such as drop 20 pounds with this personalized 4-week plan. Another trending topic is love, dating, and relationships. This emotional area never gets old. Readers yearn for insights to improve their connections. Use AI to organize relationship strategies and advice. Texts that get replies or dating like a human in an AI world could change lives. Seventh on our list is how to write a book using AI. This meta approach is surprisingly lucrative. Document your use of AI in writing the book. Titles like Write Your Bestseller in 30 Days with AI offer tangible benefits, inviting aspiring authors to replicate your process. Eighth, let's discuss travel hacking and nomadic living. This niche breeds excitement and practicality. Compile location guides or affordable travel itineraries with AI. AI-powered travel itineraries captures the essence. Offer strategies on working remotely for a complete package. Ninth, a mythic fantasy or romance series has strong demand. Readers love escapist fiction, especially serialized stories. Use AI to build rich worlds and characters. Consider a title like The Fireborn Saga, Book 1. Engaging narratives attract passionate readers eager for more. Finally, AI for beginners is essential. Everyone is curious yet overwhelmed by AI tools. Use simple language to explain AI concepts targeted at diverse audiences. Think about AI for teachers or AI for seniors. This series can demystify AI for everyday people. In summary, these 10 high-traffic topics offer robust potential for AI-written books. With clear examples, you can ignite your creativity and engage with readers. The world of AI writing is changing so rapidly. It's your turn to jump in and start creating. Ready to dive into the world of AI book writing? Explore these topics and begin your journey today. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights and tips. And check out our video about how to write and sell your book in 10 easy steps.